Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. I was just cleansing my cards and wolf just flopped out, flipped out, flopped out, jumped out, pounced out. Wolf is a big reminder for us to be always trusting our instincts. The wolf has keen eyes, very keen eyes. It uses its perceptions and its judgments, its natural instincts, its natural judgments, not judgments of other people or other things, but the judgments of knowing its own body, its own flow, the messages from the universe, from Mother Earth, from Creator. Trust your divine instincts, beautiful souls.